In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use chess.com's glossary and lessons to accelerate your chess learning. We'll start with the glossary, your quick reference for chess terms. There are two easy ways to open it. You can go directly to chess.com/terms, or from any page on the site, hover over More in the left menu, move to Other, and select Chess Terms. That takes you to a clean alphabetical directory with a handy search bar at the top. If a term pops up in a game review or commentary, type it into the search and jump straight to the definition. For example, look up blunder to understand what makes a move severely losing, blitz chess to see how fast time controls change strategy, or Boden's mate to learn a classic checkmating pattern. Most entries link to detailed articles with diagrams and examples, so don't just skim the one-line definition. Click through and study the full explanation. Tip: keep the glossary open in a separate tab while you read articles or watch videos, and bookmark terms you need to revisit. Next, explore lessons and articles to turn definitions into skills. Head to the Lessons tab and begin with the fundamentals, especially if you're new or returning. These beginner courses cover how each piece moves, how capturing works, and how to win, including the basics of checkmate. Lessons are interactive, mixing short videos, clear text, and challenges that test your understanding right away. Take your time with the challenges. If you miss one, review the concept and try again until it feels automatic. Pausing the videos to think through positions before the reveal can help the ideas stick. When you're comfortable with the basics, dive into master-level content. Chess.com hosts articles and videos by top grandmasters, including players like Carlsen, Nakamura, and Naroditsky. Choose topics that align with what you've just studied, opening principles, tactical themes, or endgame basics, and let the experts deepen your understanding. After you watch or read, summarize the key idea in your own words and look up any unfamiliar terms in the glossary you bookmarked earlier. That closes the loop between theory and vocabulary. To recap, use the glossary for quick clarity and use lessons and articles to build structured, lasting knowledge. Navigate to chess.com/terms or through the More menu for definitions, then move to the Lessons tab for guided, interactive practice, and finish with Master Insights to push your level higher. Stick with it, review regularly, and you'll feel your chess improve with every session.